My name is Michael and welcome to a new GTK tutorial. Today we are going to move on and learn some new things. We are going to learn more about signals. Until now, as you already know, we learned about signal connect, connect sweat, connect after, and of course connect data. And we saw that we can connect the data with an object, with an instance, or better say we can send it for our callback. And the same thing, you can do it in a different way if you are trying to work on an object instead of data. So there is a function which I'm going to introduce you a little bit today. It is called GSignal connect object. As you can see, this is similar to GSignal connect data, but uses a closure which ensures that the G object stays alive during the call to C handled by the temporary adding a reference to the G object. So when the G object is destroyed, the signal handler will be automatically disconnected. Note that this is not currently thread safe. It's very important. Okay, so emitting a signal while G object is being destroyed in another thread is not safe. In other words, you are basically on the instance monitoring a signal. Once that thing happens, then a callback will be called, and of course an object will be the object which you are connecting. It will be passed as the main the first parameter, the main parameter will be, and last the G connect flags right here. It will be those kind of those two flags which you decide to set when you basically connect this object. So those are the G connect flag, G connect after, and G connect sweat. You should already know about the connect after and connect sweat. If not, then you didn't follow the other videos. Anyway, let us see how it works. For this, to make it work, or to give you an example, I'm going to create a button, GTK widget button. Now let us create the button. I'm going to do it right here. Button, GTK button, new with label. I'm going to say quit. G object set. I'm going to set on the button its margin property to 50 pixels. Now GTK container add will be called to put the button inside the window. Now let's see how it's working at this point. Now as you can see, everything works fine. Now let us work with a function. I'm going to call it. So the manual says the first parameter should be the instance, which is the button. Then the signal, we are going to work with clicked, the clicked signal of the button. The callback function, it will be called clicked callback, and the next one will be the window, and the last one, the G connect flag. G connect will be sweat. Now by doing this, we need to create a callback, static void clicked callback, and here I'm going to say GTK window or GTK widget, wherever, window, or object, and here we are going to say G return if fail. GTK is window. If it's not a window, then we have something else, object. Now because we check it, we can say here I don't know, G print clicked, the button was clicked, and now GTK widget destroy, let's say object. Let us destroy the object. So at this point, what we are doing right now, we are calling this callback function once that the clicked button signal is emitted, and we are passing the window to the callback function. We connect it as swap, and for this we are working with a GTK widget object. We are checking that the object is a window. Because it is a window, we are going to print the clickhead message, and then the GTK widget should destroy the object, in this case the window. So let's see how it's working. At this point I'm going to click the button. It says click it and goodbye. Yes, as you can see, the program get terminated. Now if we for example, let me stop the destroy, or no, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to move the GTK main quit for a second in the click it right here. After the widget gets destroyed, I'm going to quit the main, and as you can see, the button was clicked, and of course the destroy function gets called as well, as you noticed already. Now let me stop it. Okay, and here I'm going to say static. Sorry, GNU-C unused, because we are not using this function. So at this point, if you click the button, you get a click it, and then it's gone. One thing which is very important for you, it is that the destroy signal works even if you don't literally basically close from the X button, because if you use the X button right here, then you have a nice days and goodbye. As you can see, the goodbye message, it is printed, which means that the destroy callback, it is called as well as the delete event callback. But if you hit the button, which means you don't close the window from here, but from here basically the GTK widget destroy, after it is called, it is the destroy callback, it is called as well, as you can see. Click it and then goodbye. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.